Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to create a folder without name on your Windows 11. So for this guys, I'm not going to use any extra third-party software. So just you can follow this easy and very simple method. Okay. So just you need to right click on your desktop to create new folder like this. Okay, now our folder was created. So now when you try to delete the folder name, it will not delete, as you can see guys. So if you want to create folder without name, so after creating the folder, now you need to press Windows key button and here you need to type character map. Okay, like this. After this guys, open this app. So after opening the app, here you can get one empty box. As you can see, just select that box and just click on copy. Okay, now that empty box will copy. After this guys, you need to close the character map and just once again go to your folder and rename it. Just paste that empty box on this folder name. Just hold control key button and press V. After pasting, hit enter. As you can see guys, now our folder was created without name. So this is the very easy and very simple method to create the folder without name on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.